Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Ever since I had a video go viral at 13 million views, it occurs to me that I have no clue what people in the world actually want to see.
Please subscribe.
What they don't care to see. I never thought in a million years anyone would give a damn about that particular video, and boy could I be wrong. So I'm filming everything, I'm posting it to the channel, and maybe one day I'll know what people want to see. In the meantime, today we're working on this, the golf cart. The side view mirrors came in. They are no drill mirrors. I am not taking any of my tools out of my shop. I'm going to use exactly what came in the package. We're going to put the golf cart mirrors on the golf cart. Should only take a few minutes. Hit the subscribe button. Let's do this. This cover, by the way, was about 32 bucks, and it has been a great cover. It has been windy as hell and raining all week here in Florida. This thing hasn't moved. It's kept everything dry. I'll leave a link down below. I purchased this. I am not sponsored by them, but it's a great cover if you have a golf cart. Now this came as part of a set, including the rear view mirror that goes in the center, just like in your car. However, since Miss K has never had a golf cart before, I want to see if she likes the larger mirror, because this mirror goes completely from side to side and the new one's only going to cover about that much. So for now, we're just going to do the side view mirrors and see if that helps her with her view. Hey, lay down, will you? So, this particular kit, and again, I bought this with my own money. I'll leave the links down in the description in case you need one. It was the best deal. It had the best reviews on Amazon, and it's a no drill situation. It comes with 3 different sets of these clips that go around your stay here. Find the one that fits the size you have. These are the ones that fit for me. And then basically, all you do is put this inside of there and put your nuts and bolts through there. So it came with hardware. You've got a sleeve, a screw, and a couple of washers. I've got a regular washer and a lock washer on there. So it should be a matter of just putting this on, put your sleeve through, put your bolt through. Now this came with some little rubber patches, I guess you'd call it, in case this doesn't tighten down on this enough. I'm going to make it top about the height of the rear view. Actually, you know what? I'm going to bring it down to the top of the windshield. Because as you can see, they're completely adjustable. Here are those rubber patches I was talking about. Normally I just tear these Ziploc style baggies apart and throw them away. But I do a lot of gun repair, AR-15 rifle stuff. And I have a lot of spare parts, springs, triggers, things like that. So I'm keeping these to put spare parts in. So it came with 2 little Allen wrenches. And I'm literally just using what it came with to show you that you don't always need to have a shop full of tools to get something done. Now what I want to know, by tightening that, will it tighten down enough, or do I need to go ahead and put those little rubber patches in there? And that will be up to you. See, that's pretty dang tight. The windshield frame is going to stop it from going down further. So until I know where she likes them, I'm not going to bother to put the rubber patches in there. I'm just going to go ahead and put the other sleeve in. put the other screw in. It already has the washers and whatnot on it. I went with the no drill situation because these frames are powder coated, and every time you put a new hole in it, you're taking away any protection and you're weakening it. And the reviews on these were pretty good. Oh yeah, that's not moving at all. Just tighten that top one. Now these have complete movement, up, down, left, right, in and out. So she'll have to set that where she likes it. There's also an adjustment on the bottom. You can loosen and tighten so that it doesn't move around once you find the place for it. I'm just going to put the other side on. We're going to call this video done. I again just want to say thank you to over 30,000 subscribers. I have not done the live stream yet, frankly, because I have too much stuff going on at the moment. My health is getting better. I'm working out almost every day. I have a lot of stuff that has come from sponsors. I have to set up the shop. I'm about to epoxy the floor of the shop to protect it. So if you want to see how to epoxy the inside of the shop, that video will be coming out soon. It's going to take me 5 or 6 days to complete the project. And then we got welding videos coming out while I build a few things that I need around here. And then we get back to repairs. I got lawnmowers and weed eaters over there waiting. So right now I'm trying to get the shop set up. Now that the city has passed inspection. Miss Kay's birthday is in a couple of days, so if you guys want to let her know in the comments, happy birthday, I would appreciate that. She is my biggest sponsor and my second best friend after Pam. I would not be where I am today without either one of them. So happy birthday to Miss Kay. The present that we drove across town to pick up yesterday will complement your new golf cart. So there you go, boys and girls. Quick set of mirrors that go on just that fast. They are larger than I expected them to be. They are big and they are great, and they will complement the middle mirror, and if she doesn't like that, I will put up the other one for her. So another simple project done. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the like button. It's somewhere between my balls, and I'll see you soon.